This study showed significantly more specific dental enamel defects. 55% of kids have dental enamel defects. Usually it's about 18%. Ask the dentist. Yeah, about 2 out of 10 usually come in and they've got some type of dental enamel defect. But if they're celiac disease, it's 55%, 5 out of 10. There's a great referral source. Just get this article and go to the local dentist. Say, hey, do you see dental enamel defects? Oh, all the time. Great, here, read this. Send them to me. I'll deal with the gluten sensitive and celiac disease, and I'll send my patients to you. Here are the dental enamel defects. Now, notice here, what's that? Transverse leukonychia, just like the fingernails. Right? Same thing. These are the dental enamel defects. That's what they look like. There they are again.